Hello everyone, thank you for joining me Sunday for another card tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple card using stencil design, and I will first go ahead and color what I need colored, and then I will be utilizing the stencil afterwards. But I'll be using some distress oxide inks, and as I use them I will let you know what they are. So right now I'm just going to just tape, do a few, tapey thingy there, because I want to actually do the, I'm trying to not do the entire card, but just like a portion of the card and have like a little base on the outside. So, and of course I don't want it to move, because knowing me, that's what's going to happen. Shout out to my subscribers and those who stop by to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. Just give me a couple more seconds while I go ahead and get this done. But I'm going to be using the a couple of, like I said, distress oxide inks. One of them would be the Rustic Wilderness. Another would be Squeezed Lemonade, and the other would be Picked Raspberry. So we shall see how that comes out. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it done. So just follow, and that would be just peachy. This one is the Squeezed Lemonade here. It's a yellow shade. And you could put as much as you want to and use any colors if you want as well. There's no hard and fast rule on that. And it looks like I got a little on the edge there, but I guess that's one of those things. So now that I have this done, I'm going to leave this on here, and I'm going to be using this here. This is the stencil. I'm just going to be utilizing it to put like two different layers or two different colors of leaves on here. I would be using the first one, which is Pickled Raspberry, which is a pink. And then I'm going to use Rustic Wilderness. Just let me make sure I have these lined up, because it kind of moved a little bit. Typically, I would like tape it down, but I didn't. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to remove those. This is the washi tape. Uh-oh, it looked like it squeezed down too much. Oh man. So it looks like it kind of messed up. I may have used the wrong type of tape for this, but anyways, I will take care of that. But at least you'll get the idea. I never meant to get it this way, so I'm going to tear from this end just in case. Okay, so you can see here that unfortunately I kind of squeezed this down too much, but at the same I can always get that fixed, and when I'm posting the picture, the card, you'll see how I'll fix it. Okay, so you have this here, and unfortunately I got a little yellow on the edges, but that's okay. I'll just go ahead and kind of do the edges with yellow, and that's fine. But now I'm going to go ahead and get a happy birthday stamp. I want it to be kind of big, so I'm going to put it right smack dab there, more in the middle. And I have my Moment ink. But I promise you guys I'll fix this up, and then when I post the picture, you'll see how I got it fixed. Whoops. And then birthday is the last one. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Very quick, very simple. This is it. So you see, it's a very simple card. You could do as many as you like. And of course, like I said, I'm going to get this fixed, and I will be posting the final card after. So thank you so much for joining, and I hope this has given you some sort of inspiration. Thank you for watching. See you guys next week. Be safe.